Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the beginning of the month and that means that I have a new design team kit to share with you. This is the Dress My Craft design team kit for February, and let's see what all I've got. So the first thing that I got are the newly released rice papers, and these are just so absolutely gorgeous. These are made in Italy and are really thin and beautiful. So I got two different designs here, but there are 12 designs in total available right now, and you can check them out online. And they're just every design is so pretty and beautiful. You are going to love it. The next thing that I got is the glitter. This is the microfine glitter, and it has this really nice holographic shine to it. And I got my favorite flower pearls as well. Then I got the newly released embossing folders. These work great with the Easy Cuts die cutting machine. I also got some dies. This is the floral doily die. Then I got the alphabet die. This is vintage alphabets, and I really love that font. And then I got this windows and pockets die, I think. And yeah, it's just something unique, and I'm very excited to try and use this. Then I got some word tiles, white satin ribbon twine, and some pollens because this month we will be making a lot of flowers. All these items are linked below in the description box, so you can check that out. The next thing I got here is this little miracle paper pack and the coordinating die cuts. As much as I love fuzzy cutting, I think die cuts are really convenient to use. So here is a little flip through. This is a gender neutral vintage baby paper pack. So yeah, I make a lot of baby albums, so I thought this would be really cute. So it has a lot of vintage images, kittens and babies, and some standard polka dots. This is the typewriter font, and then yeah, just a mix and match of lots of things. And it also has journaling cards, which is a plus. So that's there, and yeah, excited to use the die cuts, the coordinating ones. So next I got this In My Heart collection. So I've got the 12 by 12 paper bag, the 6 by 6 paper bag, and the coordinating motif sheet. And I'll just give you a small flip through of this paper bag. It's really beautiful with black, pink and white theme, and since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I think these will be perfect because they have all these roses and confetti pattern and just beautiful papers. So yeah, I think perfect for Valentine's Day. So you can see a lot of blacks and pink and peach roses, and then there are keys. Just a beautiful paper pack that you can make lots of different projects with. I also got another coordinating sheet for the Be Mine collection because I had run out of the embellishments. And the last thing I got is this soft floral oriental paper. This is the thinner version of the original oriental paper, and yeah, as I said, I'll be making lots of flowers this month. So now for the giveaway, I'm giving away these two lovely jars. One is the sequins and the other is the flower pearls. And in order to win this, let me know, comment on this video and let me know which product is your favorite from today's haul. Which product did you like the most, or which product you are excited to see in use. And of course, make sure you follow me everywhere on social media and you're a subscriber to the channel, and I will pick a giveaway winner really soon. That's all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and take care.